Good morning, my people. Good morning, good morning, good morning. So this is another week for us to batch cook and store up for the week. So I hope you guys be enjoying this. So should we make this a series, like what we cook every week and store up, you know? So I just finished making, this is my pepper mix for my Gizzdodo. Then this is my tomato and pepper mix for my jollof rice. Yep. So let's go ahead and wash the meat. So now I'm going to go ahead and mix your Gizzdodo. So this is ready. Yep. So let's say we're trying to eat healthy. Yeah. So 80% of whatever you're doing, weight loss, maintaining the weight is in the kitchen. So we're trying to do that this year. So later we're going to be gisting about, why, you can say I eat a lot. I'm sorry, not I don't eat enough and I still don't lose weight. Like, why do you think that is happening? Like, a lot of girls like, oh, I don't eat enough but I still don't lose weight. Like, that happened to me. I used to be among that guy that was like, I'm not eating because I'm not even eating, but no way, no, I'm not losing the weight. What's happening? So while we're cutting this, let's go ahead and discuss what I was saying. So during the most times, we actually consume more, let's say, liquid or fluid more than we're supposed to. Because you get, for example, like, oh, I don't even eat enough, I just eat once a day, which that can actually be a problem for you not to lose weight, or maybe maintain the weight, whatever it is. Which, if you do it over a long period of time, it's still going to work, because you're starving yourself literally. But do you know that most times you're like, oh, I don't eat enough, I don't even eat enough food, I'm still not losing weight. But have you checked the amount of drinks you had in a day? Like, you wake up in the morning, oh, coffee, and then we have cream in it, sugar, spoons of sugar, hot chocolate, we're having that with lots of sugar, sweeteners, whatever it is. In the afternoon, we're like, oh, okay, let me just have juice. It's 100% natural, it's freshly squeezed, and yeah, as much as it's freshly squeezed, but it still has sugar. It still has sugar. Is not the enemy. What's the enemy? It's actually, sorry about that. What's the enemy here is actually lack of, for me, what I think is actually lack of portion control. Because like, oh, you take that and then you take a liter of juice in the guise that, oh, it's all natural, it's not going to do anything, it's healthy, you should take fruits. But if you even check the pack, or maybe even taking like store-bought ones, like, oh, it's good quality, is this, if you check it, it says maybe 6 servings, 7 servings. That's like you should take it like 7 times, and then you take it at a go. By the time you calculate how many calories you've taken from the hot coffee to the juice, and then in the evening you're like, oh my God, I'm so hectic, like let me just take a wine or maybe creamy liquor, if you're like me, you like that, or brandy or whatever it is. Or those ones, their calorie levels are no jokes. And then you see yourself like, I just took only a day, I did not eat anything. Maybe like, oh, I only take diet coke, juice, tea, everything I'm taking is healthy, is natural, is this, is that. Like, you're taking more than you're burning. And then most of us have this sedentary lifestyle, like, from work. The work is just basically sitting down in an office setting. It's not like you have to stand or walk around so much. And then you're taking this while you're sitting, you're drinking this, you're drinking that. Like, oh, it's nothing much, it's not doing anything. How are you going to lose the weight? And the bad part about this kind of weight loss is that it's going to hit you in the face. Maybe one day you just go like, let me just weigh myself. And then it usually comes with another thing, which is, it usually comes with weight blindness. Like, you don't get to see yourself like adding that weight. So people want to tell you like you've added weight, you just be like, maybe it's just a puffy cheek, it's bloated. Yeah, we'll target bloated. It's like, you've added weight. So like, just bloated, Jerry, you go down. Till maybe one day you go and take a group picture at an event, you look at yourself in the mirror, like, I'm looking so hot, and then you take the pictures or maybe go for that, and then you see yourself and like, what the why am I looking like times 3 of myself. Like it comes with that weight blindness. Like I don't know if anybody has experienced weight blindness, which I have. Like tell me when you came to the realization, like when did it shock you, like, oh boy, like what am I saying? Because most times like you don't even get to see it, like, oh no, it's nothing much, it's just small this, like, even when people tell you, like, oh, they just hate seeing their body shaming and the rest, because you know, if you're African, you're Nigerian precisely, your family is going to tell you, your friends are going to tell you, but most times you don't receive it well. They're like, hey, it's just small weight, it's meant to go, it's just bloated and the rest, like, you know, tell me when that weight blindness hits you. So my brothers and sisters, like, I just think that if we really want to, like, you know, use that, what works for me, coming from someone that used to be like weighing, someone that was weighing like 107 kg, dropping down to like 84, 85-ish when I eat, thereabouts. So I just feel like, you see those drinks, drop it a little bit, take more water, drop it, because like most of like we party, we take a full bottle of creamy liquor, brandy, red wine, and do you know how many and the funny part is that you see those ones, they are hard to burn. They are hard to burn, and then you still feel hungry. That's the bad part. Because if I stuff myself with like a full 2 plates of rice, like I will not even have the energy to walk from head to head. And the next day, like I will still feel full, like I ate too much because I'm seeing it visibly. But if I'm just sipping a glass by glass of a full bottle of wine, I don't get to see it. And like I'm not eating. It's just a drink that I had. I've not eaten, just a drink. So you see that it's creeping on, it's creeping in, and then boom, it had a mother. So I think maybe we should try my own tip. Something that works for me is like try reducing, try cutting down on the drinks, whether be it Diet Coke or whatever it is. They're like, oh, it's Diet Coke. It doesn't have any sugar, it's sweetener. My brother and sister, whether identical or not identical twins, are they not twins? They are twins. So I just see them as it doesn't have sugar, it has sweetener. All are the same thing. It's still not supposed to be. And even if you have to take it, like it's something you know that, which I will not tell you to go cold turkey on it. It's something you should never go cold turkey on. Like go gradually. If you take like 2 cups, 3 glasses or thereabouts a day, try dropping it, try reducing it to like maybe a glass. Start dropping it from there. Like if you take a bottle, try maybe once in 2 days, then extend it to once in 3 days, then maybe once a week, or maybe just like from once a week. And I go like, oh, because what I do now is I do mine monthly. Like I give myself a treat. You understand? I see like it's something that has very high caloric, maybe ice cream, or there's like, okay, once a month, once in 2 months, I'm going to take ice cream just so that I don't miss it. And when I see it, I don't indulge. I don't know if that makes sense. So let's continue cooking.
Are lively Labradors,
So,
whether it's providing energy or supporting joy.
So this is me multitasking. I'm starting my jollof base. And then finishing up the plantain for the Gizzdodo. Let's allow it to fry for some moments now. Watching a movie. What the heck? So yeah, this is what we do.